Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about a case study that we did for a client where we had to integrate Salesforce org with Power BI. The requirement of the clients were they are a leading production brand and were willing to implement Power BI in the organization for monitoring the cases. They were using Power BI to unify data in one place from different Salesforce instances. They wanted to use the same data in Power BI for preparing the case management dashboard. Further, they wanted to automate the dashboard sharing process with management in the organization on weekly or daily basis. They asked us to connect the Salesforce with Power BI and prepare a case management dashboard and further schedule the sharing of the dashboard as a part of the requirement. Following are the solutions as per the requirement for this project. Connect Salesforce with Power BI, import and transform the data as per requirement, import the Salesforce object data in Power BI tool, transform the data as per the requirement, add visual and prepare the dashboard, publish the dashboard in the Power BI service. Share the dashboard using subscribe option so that the management gets trigger emails on a daily or weekly basis. Trigger email with the dashboard as per the schedule. Here is how it is done. I will show you the hands-on. Now let me practically show you how we implemented this process. Right now I am at Power BI under the home menu and I will go to get data. Then click here on more, you will get this dialog box. Then search the Salesforce object and click on connect as we need to import data from it. Then it will open another box in which you have two options, production and custom. Select production, then click on OK. Since I am already connected to my Salesforce org, it will show all the objects present in the Salesforce org. From this object, I have to select one from which I have to get the data. The data is present in the case report object. After selecting it, I can see all the data which I need to load here. This is the preview of the data. I will click on load. In a few seconds, all the data will be loaded in Power BI. Under the field tab and in the case report, all the data has been imported. We need to transform this data. We will click on the top and transform the data. It will open up the Power Query window. I'll select the columns which are not required for the dashboard and I will click on related columns. I need to add a custom column. I will go to the index column. It will give a unique ID to all the cases listed here. We are done with the transformation of the data. I will click on the file and then close and apply. Now it will refresh the data and the complete transformed data is updated here. We are ready to prepare our dashboard. I will move forward and click on the format of your report page. Then click on the canvas background. I will browse the background here. This is the image I will select for the background. For image fit, I will select the option fit and the transparency will be 0. This is how the background will appear. It's time to add the visual to the dashboard. I will go and create this first visual. I will select the donut and pick up the index value, then put it on the values. And now I will select the priority and put it on the legend. This is how we'll get our first visual. Donut showing cases segregated on priority, like how many are on priority, high, low and medium. I will select this index option and select this count distinctly. This is how our visuals are ready. Now we will need to do some formatting here. We will go to the format your usual again. Under the legend, we will go and then select the bottom center. I will switch off the titles for legend and then I'll go to the general tab. Then I will go to the title and increase its size of it. And central alignment. After that, I will change the name of the title to cases via priority. Now I will move further and create one more visual. This time we will select the chart. This time I will select the indexes to the x-axis, status to legend. This is showing the number of the cases as per the status. We will go again to the index and select count distinct value. This is how we have just added our second visual. Now let me create more visuals according to the data present. Now we are done with the dashboard after adding a number of visuals here like cases by priority and monthly case status, how many are open and how many are closed, count of cases by reasons and the total number of pending cases. Here if you select the company, you will change all the visuals. Let me select the company's ideal limit and you can see the changes in the visual. If we select any other company, we can see the changes. This is how we have created a dynamic dashboard. At the top, I will hit the publish button and it will ask me if you want to make the changes. Then it will ask me where you want to publish it. I will select my workspaces. Now we will open this dashboard on the Power BI service. This is how the dashboard got published here. To share the dashboard, we will use the subscribe option. I will click on it. It will open up the box. It will allow us to add new subscriptions. I have already added my name. You can also add more people by simply searching for their names, and it will give you the list of people from the organization. Right now, I am going by my name only. As a subject, I will give weekly case report. I will just add PFA the report. Then it will ask how many pages you want to share. I will just write one page. Frequency weekly basis. I will select Wednesday. The scheduled time will be 3:45 am and I will click on Save and Close. As you can see, as per the scheduled time, I have received the email. You can click here to go and report and access the dashboard. Now every Wednesday as per the scheduled time, I will be getting this email. That's how we integrated Salesforce with Power BI. Thank you for watching this video. If you're looking to hire the best-in-class Salesforce expert for your business growth, the Cloudinology team is one-stop solution for all the Salesforce, including Salesforce integration, customization, implementation, and more. Contact us now to explore how we can help you get the most out of the Salesforce platform.